afternoon, everyone. It's Mark Anthony Malika reporting from 5000 North Ocean. Happy spring. We're in the sales gallery now looking at the model of the building, which we won't need for long because it's coming along very nicely on schedule to be completed this fall. We're actually starting to get down to some of the details of the residence, including installing the tile on the terraces. Things are really coming along. As of now, 2 of our 4 sea glass residences are sold, but 2 remain on the 15th and the 17th floor. These are spectacular residences with 20-foot wall of glass facing the ocean, 4-bedroom, just absolutely stunning, great room. They won't stay on the market for long. We're excited now that the pool is beginning to take shape. Located on the south side of the property where you want it to be to get the best sun exposure. You can see that the shape is forming. You see the rebars are coming up. It's an exciting time. In fact, this whole south part of the building, including the parking level, the parking lot out front, and other amenities now are the focus of what we're doing at 5000 North Ocean. Thanks, everyone. That's a wrap from 5000 North Ocean. More coming again soon.